Hey welders, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today let's explore the world of metal fabrication and discover the top 12 best welding machines that bring precision and the power to your project. Whatever you are, seasoned welder or just starting, having the right welding machines can make all the differences. Let's dive into the best option that cater to various need and skills level. And this list is based on the best customer review, positive customer review ratings and price, and that ones have sales highest online. So let's start from number one. Number one is S7 powerful 200 ampere arc stick welder for beginner use. $69 is price and 4.3 out of 5 star from 2664 customer review ratings. This welding machines actually based on the reliable and durable choice for MIG welding tasks, suitable for home workshop. Next is welding machines upgraded MMA 250A 110 volt welding machine, which is cost you around $78, 4.2 out of 5 star model. And this welding machine is ideal for aluminium welding and with a AC capability and the versatile enough for the other materials. Next is Grado welding machine, weight is around 3.3 lb, handheld welder, which is cost you $98. And this welding machine a multi-purpose machine combining plasma cutting and TIG stick welding capabilities. Next is GUOZHI welding machine, handheld 110 volt portable arc welder, cost you around $99, 4.0 out of 5 star. And this welding machine is portable and efficient. This machine is great for on the go welding tasks. So you won't need to go anywhere else to choose the best welding machines. Your best machines will be available from our this video and this list. Save your lots of time to searching online. To view the entire list, welding machines list, watch our video until the end. And if you find your best welding machines, don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel. One thing more, price may be vary in future and I share all the buy links. If you wanna buy any welding machines from our list, you can check deep review rating from the description box. And whatever you are working or automotive projects, DIY project, home repairs and etc., these were top 12 welding machines offer a range of features to meet your welding needs. So guys, thank you for watching and keep watching our video until the end.